So there he lies at the last, the deathbed convert, the pious debauchee. Could not dance half a measure, could I? Give me wine, I'd drain the dregs and toss the empty bottle at the world. Show me our Lord Jesus in agony, and I mount the cross and steal his nails for my own palms. There I go, shuffling from the world, my dribble fresh upon a Bible. I look upon a pinhead, and I see angels dancing. Well, do you like me now? Do you like me now?